Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As I was listening to the crows outside, I was noticing messages coming in as my whole body started to vibrate. And there's something specific in this message in which entails like what's leaving and what you're leaving behind before this month's end. I don't like to say this new year, as I believe, or I don't celebrate traditional holidays, if it makes sense. Like New Year's is springtime, spring equinox to me. But there is a sense of death and rebirth. And I hope you stick around for this message, and hopefully it'll help you through your meditation and through your journaling. That is very important. Not only to me, but those of you who have emailed me, and it seems to be working. I understand that sometimes journaling, especially when you're going through something, you don't want to journal at set point. Like you're either not feeling well, you're not feeling up to it, and it's okay, you know. But when you have that space, that time, that clarity, it helps when you journal your thoughts and emotions when you can't speak that out into the universe, into others. You know, it helps sometimes just writing it down, writing a love letter to yourself or to a specific set person who you want to initially pour out your heart to. However, there's a blockage or they, in a sense, need healing. So let's start the message. Notice messages of insight that appear as sounds, music, words from the external sources and within your mind. These messages are real answers to your prayers. Use your spiritual gifts and natural abilities to attract your desired outcome from past hiccups and lessons. Listen to your intuition. If you have the ability to see the spirit of those who have transitioned, don't be surprised if you receive a visit. It is safe for you to see the energy of love in all of its forms and glories as angels, auras, and visions. Know that you are a special anomaly. You are one that has been hidden in plain sight. They thought you were weak, yet at all the while, the answers that you seek were inside of your heart. The battle is already won. Be open to giving and receiving. Isolation period right now is to protect yourself from harsh or fear-based energies by envisioning a cocoon of healing light surrounding you. You have a connection with nature. Even if people don't understand you and call you Delulu, you know that connection that makes you feel safe. Okay, guys, let's get into the message. So at the base of this message is new love. And I said that, I believe, in the last episode. There is a sense of new love that wants to come in a new form, a new magnitude. But what's blocking that is your protection. You are self-defensive. You're protecting yourself, right? From allowing anyone into your creation, into your abundance, into your connection with life. Because in some sort of way, before, in the past, you have gave joyous outcomes and rebirths and happiness and success to others. And right now you just feel like, you know what, I'm kind of tired, and I'm tired of giving so much of myself. right? I'm tired of giving to these free spirit, lusty persons of creation that bring in this creation, which are mirrors and reflections of myself, right? In the present moment, you're multitasking. They may be multitasking, whatever it is, however you see this fit, right? But you have a renewal of faith, a renewal of faith and an inner wisdom that helps you become the leader that you've always known to be within yourself. Your wise investment spirit, right? You want to invest in things that bring you fruition. You want to be a leader in wisdom into what brings you life, into your creativity, into what brings you joy and love, right? Through that, you see your wisdom. However, your wisdom has brought you a lot of stress, strife, and tiredness. Too many burdens that you have carried because of the fact that when you want to help everyone outside of yourself and have them try to understand you as an individual, as a specific being, they can't see that. They're not aligned with you. So it becomes a burden to you. It becomes a burden when you want to help everyone else outside of you. It becomes a burden when it's like, I'm helping you. I'm giving you the tools. I'm giving you the wisdom. I'm giving you what I've learned, and they just don't want to do it. They want you to do it for them. They want you to carry those burdens to do it for them. And it's not something that brings you joy. So coming in this month's end, it's like, okay, I have to reevaluate myself. I have to go into that period of isolation. I have to understand what is truly meant for me, what is in alignment for me. Hold on, because I like writing through my channels, and I really felt that I've seen something. Give me a second, guys. Where is it? Anyhow. What is going on? I know I haven't. So yeah, it's like, how can you continue to carry other people's burdens and they're not of your own? They make you tired. They make you feel imbalanced. They make you feel like, come on, help me help you. Like, where they do that at? Where do they do that? In the near future, the part of you that was strong, that had that courage, is like, you're not giving so much of that anymore. You have it within you. So you just asking Spirit, you know what, cover me, cloak me from all of this, protect me from all of this. Anything that was coming at me as an honest person, a charming person, like, you'll see that coming towards you, and you'll reject it. Your body will reject it in some form or fashion. Your power in the situation is that you already know judgment has been called. In 2025, judgment is being called, has been called. The horns have sounded, in the spiritual realm. They know who they have to take care of. They know what they have to take care of. They get it. You don't have to keep going and just continue to protect yourself. That you will see clarity. 2005 will be a year of chaos, of illusions. And if you have done the work within yourself, if you have done the work within yourself, you'll know what position you play at said point. If you're going to stay grounded, understand that there was a wake-up call, understand life's purpose, understand the clarity that you have within yourself, the clarity that you have done all the work and continue to learn daily. You understand that. So there's going to be a point where through the chaos, through the illusion, through all the noise, you're going to have a decision. Either you're going to go into that chaos, or you're going to step back and say, you know what? Let them handle it. Let them have it. It's going to show the true warriors. It's going to show the true. Year 9, 2005. Year of completions. We're almost at the final point to be rebirthed. You didn't do all this work for nothing. It's bringing me back to 2020. Where so many people, so many individuals awakened and started to awaken. There's many that fell short and said, nah, that's too much for me. They went back. So now there's a period now going back to 2020, coming into this new year, into this final point of death and rebirth is to, hey, the ship is coming. See your ships coming in. Take it for what it is, right? Many tower moments of destruction, your hopes and your fears, all of that would be coming to light, all of it. So you're going to have to make the decision when those tower moments hit. And the outcome of it is, are you focused? Are you ready to be in your creativity? Are you ready to be inspired and take action to what you know in a way of love, true light? Understanding the polarities, understanding the polarities of your darkness and your light. It's bringing this fruition of, okay, we're going through this dark phase. We're going through the tunnel. We're seeing all these things happening, transitioning, going through this tunnel, this portal. And the light is waiting for us. However, it's like, are you going to take the torch that your ancestors, that those individuals that you see spiritually, that cheer you on, you were the one that they knew had it within them to carry that torch to heal all of this. And those who came in with this trickster energy, I keep getting this trickster energy, are going to feel this loss, this separation. While you have faith, you're not worried about anything, but you're instead praying about everything. You have faith. Your faith is what brought you through. Your faith is what took you this far, has brought you this far. Reach the finish line. Stop looking back. Go forward. Look forward and set your eyes in faith. Set your eyes in faith. Set your eyes in prayer. Set your eyes on the intentions. Stop wanting so much. Your manifestations are already yours. They're already yours. However, Spirit is like, are you ready? Are you initially ready? You may have to go through a couple of tests. You may have to go through those tower moments of losing people, of losing things, of losing jobs, of losing whatever it is, to set your foot forward and say, okay, I did this and this and this. I cannot make this and this and this mistake. I've learned the lesson from this. I cannot carry it on to the purpose in which I have set forward. Until the next time, guys. Latest.